Hey friends, I can't believe that Christmas is right around the corner. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I've been very busy baking up a storm this holiday season. So this week I am releasing 5 new cookie recipe videos and 4 decorating tutorials. So I've been super busy, but I'm so excited to share all of this new content with you. If you're not already subscribed, now is a great time to do so that you don't miss out on any of these new videos. So for my first day of my countdown to Christmas, I wanted to start with a classic. I always thought that I didn't like gingerbread. Turns out I had just never had a good one before. Most gingerbreads are either too crunchy or overly spiced, but this recipe is nice and chewy, it's a little bit sticky, and just the perfect amount of spiciness. So I hope you like it as much as I do, and check out this video. A link to the recipe and ingredient quantities are in the description box below. Start by combining all the wet ingredients in the bowl of your stand mixer. Since this recipe is all by grams, I'm just doing it all in one bowl to avoid making an additional mess. And then using the paddle attachment of your mixer, you're going to mix this on kind of medium speed for about 2.5 minutes. You're really just looking to kind of fluff up the butter and kind of aerate it a little bit, and you'll notice that there is a color change. Once the butter is nice and fluffy, we're going to just weigh the flour and add that directly in. Return to the stand mixer and combine on very low speed. You don't want to go too fast and make a mess, and you don't want to overwork the dough. Alright, so now you have 2 ways to proceed. My preferred method is to scrape half the dough out onto parchment paper, roll it out to my desired thickness, and then put that in the refrigerator to chill. You want to chill it for 2 hours to allow the dough to hydrate and to allow the butter to firm up. Alternatively, you could take the entire mound of dough, wrap it in plastic wrap, and put that ball in the refrigerator. Then when you want to make the cookies, you'll need to take out the ball, let it come to room temperature just a bit, and then roll it out before cutting. So I feel like I'm saving a step doing it my way. When cutting out the cookies, you want to put them as close together as possible to avoid having a lot of scraps. You can re-roll the scraps as many times as you need to, but each time you re-roll the scraps, you're working and developing the gluten more, so the dough will become tougher and tougher. You'll know when these are done because they'll just start to be turning a little bit brown around the edges, and when you open the oven, it'll be very fragrant. Alright, so you could definitely leave these as is and just enjoy them, or you can decorate them. If you want to decorate your cookies, check out my channel. I'm uploading tutorials every day this week.